Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. I am also doing great. This video is particularly applicable for those students who have recently passed their CA Foundation examination. Believe me, you have done a great job. I wish you all the best wishes for CA Inter examination. Also, there are many students who have directly joined CA Inter through direct route. This video is also applicable for you. In this video, I am going to announce my CA Inter Advanced Accounting regular batch, which will be applicable for May 2026, September 2026 and onward attempt. So if you are looking to register for Advanced Accounting regular batch, this video is for you. Listen this video till the end, as I will discuss in detail what actually I provide in my regular Advanced Accounting regular batch. Believe me, it will help you to understand and take a decision to enroll for this particular batch. Let us start a discussion. As already informed, this CA Inter Advanced Accounting course will be a regular batch. When I say regular batch, it means we'll do detailed study as per ICAR syllabus. There will be no deletion of the concept. There will be no deletion of the questions. All the questions of ICAR resource will be covered. All the concept of ICAR resource will be covered. Got this point? The batch is going to commence from 21st of November, and this batch will complete, means I will take approximately 180 hours. 180 hours to complete the batch. Each lectures will be of 2.5 hours, means approximately you can say I will take 75 lectures to complete the entire batch. The batch is going to be English medium, English language. No other language will be taken into consideration. Entire explanation, entire discussion will be in English language. Got this point? Coming to the mode, the batch will provide in two mode. It will be live online in my app. The first 10 classes will be given in YouTube for your understanding how I am teaching. Then once the 10 classes will be over, you need to join our app in which live online classes will be given. As well as you can also opt for recorded mode, and you can listen the classes as per your own time convenience. Correct? Means if suppose my batch is going to start from 10:30 a.m. in the morning, you are not supposed to come at that particular point. You can listen the class as per your time convenience, because there are many students who are going for a job. For them, we are also providing recorded mode. Got this point? Coming to timing, as already I have informed, our batch timing will be 10:30 a.m. in the morning till 1 p.m. means 2.5 hours per lectures. This timing is applicable for only those students who will join our live streaming in our app. Okay, sir. Next point is our book. How many books I will provide for our advanced accounting course? So I will provide you two set of book, one volume of AS Saran's book, which is nothing but concept book, and two volume of question bank covering all the questions of ICAR resource. Both the books, whether it is AS Saran's book as well as question bank, will be in color format. Only for your understanding, one demo I'll provide you for my AS Saran's book. You can see this is my accounting standard Saran's book. Each concept is given in a summarized format so that you can revise quickly just before exam. You can see wherever required, flow chart is also given for the longer retention of the concept. And after every concept, you can see I have provided reference question which you will find in question bank. Means this concept, this much questions we have in our ICAR resource, so it will be easy to revise the concept with the question. Similarly, next concept you can see the questions are given, reference questions are given, and wherever any concept does not have any question in our ICAR resource, that also you will be able to identify. You can see the next concept you do not have any reference questions, so it means you will be able to identify that for this particular concept there is no reference question in ICAR resource, so you can understand these other concepts which are not so much important from examination point of view. Means the chances for from examination point of view is rare, means the chances for coming question from this particular topic is rare. This will help you, this will guide you about the ICAR pattern, about the questions. Got this point? Coming to the question bank, you can see what I have done, question bank also in color format, correct? Questions will be provided in different color, answer will be provided in a different color so that you can identify this is the question and this is the solution for that particular question. If you see this question bank, initially I'll give multiple choice question for each chapter. So MCQs are given. Then question from ICS study material, all the questions from ICS study material is given. Then once that is completed, question from other sources, means I have taken some question from other sources which may be important from examination point of view as per my experience. So some question I have taken from other sources. You will find out in the past examination many questions have been asked from these other sources only. When I say other sources, this is nothing from ICS resource, correct? But not, it is not in the ICS study material as per the recent syllabus, but high chances the question may come from these particular sources also. Got this point? Next, all the questions of RTP MTP exams are also incorporated, means all the questions of ICS resource have been incorporated. You are not supposed to refer any other book for CA Inter Advanced Accounting course. Got this point? Books, I hope you have understood. Coming to multiple choice question. So for multiple choice question, normally multiple choice question can revise only once the entire syllabus has been completed. Because if you look into the MC question given in ICI exam will be case scenario basis, having multiple questions from different chapters that you can do only once the entire syllabus completed. For that, what I have done, I'll give you the soft copy of all the case scenario of RTP, MTP, past year examination in one PDF, which you can download and refer, or that you can go through once the entire syllabus is completed. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. Coming to now backup. Any student who join our live online batch, for them will provide 60% of viewing hour as a backup. Means suppose 180 hours, so 180 hours is the class batch hour, so we'll provide you 180 into 60%, means 100 hours approximately will be provided as a backup hour. In unusual circumstances, if you are not able to listen the class properly, or if you want to revise that particular concept again, this backup hours will be very important for you. Got this point? For a recorded batch, will provide 1.5 view with 12-month validity. 1.5 view with 12-month validity. Okay, sir. Coming to doubt clarification. Of course, doubts are very important. Any student who join our live online classes, they can ask all their doubt in the classes only. But a student who are joining our recorded batch, for them will provide, however, will provide the WhatsApp group to every student, whether live online class student or recorded student. You can ask n number of doubt in that WhatsApp group whenever the doubt comes, correct? For technical support or any other support, a separate WhatsApp group provided. For any doubt regarding technical or any other support, you can ask your query in that particular group. Apart from that, every weekend I will take one Zoom live session for your guidance as well as for your mentorship. Means now what I have seen that students take classes but they are not able to listen the classes properly. They will skip the lectures and they will just what? Take more time to complete the classes. So a proper mentorship will provided. For that, I will come every weekend in Zoom live session so that I can guide you, I can mentor you also. Okay, sir. Next point is about a test. How many tests I will conduct? So what I will do? I will conduct 10 chapter wise tests. Means suppose 10 to 15 days completed. Now you are ready with that particular chapters. I will conduct one test. That particular test will have the syllabus till that whatever the portion has been done. So 10 chapter wise tests I will conduct, and on completion of the batch, one grand mock test will be also taken into consideration. Correct? For the test, you can write down as per your time convenience, because of course you need to prepare for that. Once you are prepared for that particular test, you write down a test. Your answer will be evaluated by the expert team member. So whatever answers you have written, you need to provide the answer paper to us, and that will be evaluated by our expert team member. Okay, sir. Test also done, but test need to be written as per your time convenience, but under the exam condition. Got this point? Yes, sir. Now, coming to the coverage, 100% coverage will be from ICI resource with 100% conceptual creative. When I say 100% coverage from ICI resource, means all the questions of ICI study material, RTP, MTP, past year examination question will be covered. More than 500 questions will be solved in the class during the class timing. And apart from that, more than 500 questions will be given for self-practice. When I say self-practice, believe me, for CA entire advanced accounting, if some questions I am doing, some questions you need to practice by your own. Now, whatever doubt will come when you do self-practice question, the doubt will be covered either during the class or after the class through WhatsApp group. Don't worry about that. If suppose any question is of that nature, for that a separate video clarification is required. I will create a separate video for that. Nothing to worry about that. But more than 500 questions will be covered in the class. More than 500 questions will be given for self-practice. That is also very, very important. Okay, sir. Coming next point, revision. Revision is very, very important for passing CA inter examination, because when you revise n number of times, it will be in your mind for a longer period of time. So what I will do during our class timing, during our class, I will revise the concept on a daily basis. Means whatever I have done today will be revised tomorrow. Then we'll start the next class. Correct? So that will help you to revise the concept. Got this point? Apart from that, after the completion of batch, when you are doing self-revision, you can refer our YouTube revision video, which will provide it separately for your attempt. So I will also provide you revision video in YouTube separately, which will help you to revise the entire concept again just before exam. Okay, sir. Now, coming to the registration, if you are looking to register for this particular batch, you can register for this particular batch through our website. The link for the registration is given in the description of this particular video. Now, there is a pre-booking offer which will be valid for 10 days. 10 days, that is a pre-registration offer. Got this point? The regular fees is rupees 8,500, but the offer has been given for pre-registration booking is that if you want the entire lecture with ebook, then the pre-registration offer price is 2499, and if you want with hard book, then the price is 3999. Once again I will repeat, this pre-registration offer is only valid for 10 days. After that, regular price will be applicable. Join as soon as possible to get the additional benefit for the as per the pre-registration offer. Now, any details you can get in our inquiry number. Write on this number 8766246684 and 965222994. Just write on this number. If you have any other query about this particular batch, you can ask your entire query in this two number. Registration, already I have said that for registration the link has been provided in the description of this particular video. Okay, sir. I hope all the details I have provided, which will help you to understand about the details of this particular batch. Let us meet soon in our CA inter classes, and let us crack advanced accounting with a very good marks. Our target, which I always say to my student, will be 70 plus in our advanced accounting. So whatever we are learning, the target will be 70 plus in advanced accounting. Let us meet in our advanced accounting regular batch. Bye bye. Till then, love you all.